on to The lever on the lower left side of the QS12 cryostat allows you to change the angle of the specimen coming into contact with a blade holder. 10 degrees is optimal for the sharpest edge of the blade. The middle lever on the QS12 cryostat allows the user to adjust the location of the stage of the blade holder, either left or right, to keep a good sharp edge on the blade. The topmost lever on the QS12 cryostat allows the user to replace and secure new blades into the blade holder. Loosen the topmost lever on the right side of the blade holder stage by pulling it towards you. Slide your blade carefully between the top and bottom pressure plates from left to right until it's in its proper position. Using the bottom of a brush will help you to properly and safely align the blade. Lock your new blade in place by pushing the topmost lever on the right side of the stage forward until it's tight. Loosen the lever on the topmost right-hand side of the stage by pulling it towards you to release the pressure on the blade. Using the bottom of a brush, slide the blade carefully from right to left until it's a comfortable distance from the blade holder to grab the edge, and continue to slide to the left until it's free of the blade holder. Please properly dispose of your used blade in a sharps container. The blade guard helps protect hands and equipment from unwanted contact with an installed blade. Using the tab on the left-hand side, flip the blade guard up from its resting position and move it all the way forward. This hides the blade edge, making it more difficult to have unwanted contact with the blade. To continue cutting with the blade edge exposed, simply flip the blade guard back towards you, using the tab on the left-hand side, and put it back to its resting position on the blade holder. Rotate the wheel at the base of the anti-roll glass to the left to push the glass away from you. Rotate the wheel to the right to pull the glass towards you. Adjust the anti-roll glass as needed to capture your perfect section and keep it flat for the transfer to your slide. To remove the anti-roll glass, grasp the top left and top right of the glass and pull it straight up and out of the holder as shown here. To insert a new anti-roll glass, insert so that the two small strips located on the sides of the glass will face down when the anti-roll glass is lowered onto the stage of the blade holder. Gently and evenly apply pressure so the anti-roll glass slides into the holder and the pressure clips hold the glass in place. Double check to be sure there is no blade in the blade holder. Locate the spring-loaded pin on the right-hand side of the stage. Using the bottom of a brush to press the spring-loaded pin and rotate the lever towards you at the same time. This will allow the lever to fully rotate, and the pin on the lever rotates past the pin that is being depressed. Squeeze the top and bottom pressure plates in order to pull out the lever completely. Lift the top pressure plate off and place carefully to the side in a safe location. Damaging this plate will affect your cutting ability. Using the low-profile blade adapter that came with the cryostat, align the pin on the bottom of the adapter with a hole on the blade holder. Replace the top pressure plate by aligning the pegs and holes on the bottom of the pressure plate. Put the lever back into the right side of the pressure plates. Add pressure on the top and bottom of the plates by squeezing them together. This will allow the lever to slide more easily into the hole. Be sure that the lever pin is behind the spring-loaded pin on the blade holder. Using the end of a brush, again depress the spring-loaded pin to allow the pin on the lever to rotate past the spring-loaded pin. Your cryostat can now accept low-profile blades. Double check that there is no blade in the blade holder. Depress the spring-loaded pin on the right side of the stage using a brush. Rotate the lever's pin past the depressed spring-loaded pin. Squeeze the top and bottom pressure plates in order to pull out the lever completely. Lift the top pressure plate off and place carefully to the side in a safe location. Damaging this plate will affect your cutting ability. Using your fingers on both sides of the LP blade adapter, lift it straight up and remove the LP blade adapter from the base. Carefully replace the stage on top of the other pressure plate, aligning the pegs with the holes. Replace the lever into the hole on the right side of the stage, while gently squeezing the two pressure plates of the blade holder together. This will allow the lever to move smoothly back into position. Make sure that the pin on the lever is past the spring-loaded pin on the stage. Using the end of a brush to press the spring-loaded pin on the stage. Rotate the lever and pin past the spring-loaded pin, and the cryostat is now ready to accept high-profile blades. Avantic